Hello, my name's Karthik and today I'm going to be teaching you how I created this project right here. So what this is you press arrow key to move, to jump, and you can press the down arrow key to quickly come down. You can move left and right, and if you press S you can see a tiny gun appearing, and then if you press H you can hit the boss and you can see the boss's health going down, and right here you can see I won. So the way I created it is first I need to create the main character, which is a gingerbread man, and I need to create the boss, which is a banana. And then for the health, you can see my health right there. So when I touch it, it's gonna go down. See? And then the way you have to create that, and then I had to create a lot. So this is the animation for the gingerbread man when he's standing still. And this is the animation for the health bar. Right here, there's two versions of him. Okay? And then I had to create the boss's health bar, which appears. Let's just quickly do this. Skip everything. And right, you can see the boss right here, and you can see its health right here. And then I had to create the gun you see on the ground that comes up right behind here, right here. And then I had to create that, and then I had to create the 3 obstacles. I named it cardboard 1, cardboard 2, and just normally cardboard, and those are all these obstacles that show. And then I had to give it an animation, which I took off the internet, or took it off the internet, and then I just added more stuff into it. And then you can see it says War Game State Serve, and the player score and the computer score, and the computer score is the boss. So if I touch this, you can see the player score goes up, and if it hits it 5 times, I need to restart, and same thing for the boss. And then I had to do function draw, and then I put the background as this like grayish blackish color because I thought it would look cool. And then you could see it says aqua because it fills like this in and it pops a little bit. And then that's basically what this is. This is what shows the player score and the computer score. And then I did this. So you can see cardboard 2 is the log right here. So the last cardboard or the last obstacle that comes is this log. So right when that crosses 0, the boss appears, and so does the health bar. And I scaled it so it would be way bigger than the main character. And then right here is simple. If key went up and key went down, all that. So up is when I jump, and I set the animation into Dingy Jump, which is right here. You can see him like he's like jumping kind of, but it's better when you actually do it because he transforms into it. And then I did right arrow so he can move, and when I do right arrow, the animation changes into him running. And then same for left arrow, you get the animation. And the reason I did a down arrow is because you can easily quickly come down, like you can quickly just smash to the ground. So you come up and then you smash to get that, basically. And then a game state serve is just serving, like what that does is just creates it. And you can see it just says serve without anything else. And why that is because if you scroll all the way down here, if I can get to it, okay, right here, it says function serve, and this is what actually makes it act like you're moving somehow. And then you just set the velocity, and then you put their x and y's, like you can do x 500, 600, 700, so they start coming in. So it gives the illusion that they're running. And then that's what I did for reset. It just resets everything. And then the way I actually made the boss appear is, if you scroll up here, you should see what is it? Right here, 0. And what that does is, if it crosses it, the boss appears. And I did R for reset, which resets the whole thing, and that's probably it. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.